There she goes, off on a new adventure. All by herself this time. Bye! Bye! There she goes. Well, I'm all by myself now. I gotta try and figure out how to get out of this airport without hitting somebody. All by myself. I've got 4 days by myself. And yeah, so we're gonna see how this goes. Well, I'm gonna document this being by myself thing. I am going hunting in a couple of days. Well, actually Sunday, but today is Saturday. I've got a team thing tonight, so I'm gonna be doing that by myself. I'm gonna miss her 3 whole days by myself. We'll see how this goes. Okay, well, I'm all packed up and ready to go. Car's packed up, just gotta close the house up. And then I'm ready to go to Tennessee. I'm gonna get me a boar this weekend. But all by myself still. Get these lights turned off and we'll be ready to go. I had a good night last night with the teens. A group of teens that came out and did a bonfire and ate some hot dogs and stuff. It was a good evening. I gotta empty the trash. Gotta be done. Dropped my phone there. I've got about a 7-hour drive to Tennessee, so I'm heading out now, and hopefully I'll get there right around 2 o'clock. Have a little bit of time to sight in my gun and make sure everything's good. So, got a little bit of time there. But I gotta go get the cooler now. I gotta get the cooler and get it in the back of the car. I was gonna take the truck, but gas prices too high. Not happening. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll take y'all along on the ride. Okay, there it is. I just gotta get out. Get everything out of the way. And look at that. Check. Let's see. I'm gonna take both. Okay. Let's see. There we go. It fits. Barely, but it fits. Okay, get this shut off in here. Should that back there. And we're gonna get going. Tennessee bound. Let's in here. I'm gonna say a word of prayer. Pray for the trip, make sure it goes well. And it's gonna get going. On the road. First couple minutes down. Only like 7.5 more hours to go. We're gonna stop and grab something to eat, a little something to drink, and then we're gonna be moving along.
That's too good.
Well, we made it to the lodge.
We didn't go to the lodge.
We're here at the lodge. This is the inside. Tomorrow we're gonna start our hunting. Got our guns sighted in this afternoon, and yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go shoot some boar.
Here you go.
I'm gonna shoot one exactly that size.
You know, if my dog.
Look at that. His bed's already messy. We're out here. We're in crazy now. We're in the forest. I doubt you can hear me at all. We're out here. We already saw one bull. We're out there. We're out towards the blind. Walking up now. We're almost up here in the blind. We're just getting ready to get set up and get our eyes out. Keep our eyes on it. So we got ready to set up here. Let's see what we're shooting at. Just almost here. Keep this going. There's a boar out here. He'll be ducking out pretty quick. So hopefully I'll get some good footage. I'm gonna get one of the guys to come along with me and we'll there's some good footage to be got. Guys, we're gonna come in. So I'm trying to keep some quiet in here. I'm trying to shoot something. These guys are over here talking and laughing and playing games over here.
Finish easing on out. We can ease out that way and go take a look and kind of see what's what.
Well, I got him, boys. First one ever. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay, well, we just got some news that there's another one out there, so we're heading there. Daniel's gonna go and he's gonna shoot us. There's one now. We heard that they've got another one up here, so we're gonna stop a little bit. We're gonna get down in here and get them. So we'll get some good footage of Daniel getting in here and getting something. We got some pretty sweet boar here. You look at it down here, looking pretty good. We're looking at about right around 600 pounds, maybe just a little bit less, maybe just a little bit more, but we're doing pretty good. We've already got 2 this morning, and we're hoping to get 1 more maybe this afternoon, maybe this evening. And yeah, it's going good over here at Spartan Hunting Preserve. Awesome place, awesome people, great guys. Well, that took y'all 2 hours in, and we got all 3 boars. Went pretty good. It's pretty awesome. 3 boars, probably over 600 pounds each. I'd say it was a pretty successful trip. Making our way back. What do y'all think? Good. Pretty awesome. Loaded up. Got the car loaded up here. There's the cooler there. And we're gonna look at this here. I'm not too happy about this, but we'll get it cleaned up when we get back. Here it is. Got a little bit of a blood stain there. But we got a good bit of meat here. They're trying to get their car loaded up. But we're pretty loaded up here. Got luggage in the front seat, and we're getting out of here. We'll be home about 7 hours. Here it is. Oh, look at all of it in all of its glory. Big ol' hog we got.